What's the meaning of appeal? Appeal. Appeal.
Appeal. Appeal. Appeal can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can refer to a request for help or support, a desire for something, or a legal process by which a decision is reviewed. In general, however, appeal refers to the act of making an emotional or logical argument to persuade someone to do something or believe something. The result of a successful appeal is typically that the person being appealed to changes their mind or takes a certain action based on the argument presented.